Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Um, Happy Thursday, February 4th, 2021. Today we are doing right triangles, and our I can statement is I can identify the parts of a right triangle. Slide 2, we're given a right triangle, but we're going to be focused on the vocabulary of the right triangle. You'll notice off to the right, there's a purple arrow, the word hypotenuse, the word leg, and another word leg. Here, we're going to need to learn the vocabulary words needed to label a triangle, specifically a right triangle. A right triangle has a right angle, which you've previously learned over the course of your math career, which is a 90-degree angle. This is where we'll start because this is our area of focus for our purple line, our arrow, sorry. The purple arrow always faces the side opposite the right angle. So here I have that purple arrow, and you'll notice that I'm placing it opposite the right angle. That's where it always faces. Now you have a purple arrow facing this long side and another arrow facing it. The length of this long side we're going to call the hypotenuse. Okay, so I'm going to drag that over here and boom, hypotenuse. Now you have two shorter sides. We're going to call these legs. These are the key vocabulary words and terms that you'll need to do today's assignment. Now, the rest of the assignment is going to expect you to be able to label the parts of the triangle using the drag and drop tools below. So you drag and drop, put them where they belong. You might have to extend it or move it or rotate its position, but there they are. However, the key part that's been added is a word bank and a typing section in pink. It says, what do you notice about the given side links? Hint, use slide 2 for help and the word bank. I want to go ahead and highlight the fact that it says, what do you notice about the given side links? So, and I think I'm going to underline it too, just for the sake of this video. So what do you notice about these side links? You might notice various things. Notice how long they are. Notice of where they're positioned. Which one was the longest side? Which one was the shortest side? Are they legs or do they represent a hypotenuse? Are they connected to the right angle? Use some of those key vocabulary words. So if I were you, a sentence stem that I can start off with is that I noticed that the legs were blank, blank, blank. Or maybe you could start off with a hypotenuse. The hypotenuse was the blank, 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 blank. Or you could just start simply with I noticed, dot, dot, dot. Okay, these are going to be our sentence stems to begin your thinking. But notice the emphasis was on side links. When I go to slide 4, it gives me areas. Very similar setup, but I have area. I have a word bank. And it says, what do you notice about the given area? So I'm going to emphasize that. And then once again, you can use the sentence stems from before, or you can use some of them, like I noticed, dot, dot, dot. The areas of the dot, 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 dot. Okay. This pattern repeats throughout the assignment. Sometimes it's asking about side links, and sometimes it's asking about area. On slide 7, it asks for both. What do you notice about the given side links and the area? Slide 8 says, let's review. Slide 9 and 10 are kind of like a little mini learning check. I want you to label, but you're also doing some math calculations. Find the missing areas of each side. So if I'm missing the area from this square, how can I find it? Hint, hint, wink, wink. Squares have the same side lengths. So you do that, use that information for slides 9 and 10. And then finally, slide 11 is 2 truths and a lie. Look forward to seeing you in class today. Hope you have yourself a great day and that this video was beneficial. Once again, we are learning about right triangles. I can identify the parts of a right triangle.